Yo, 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 what's good, y'all? It's your boy J Mo. This is the Hustle Corner. And, in this video, once again, I want to talk about LLCs. I'm going to call this one LLC Rules, and this is the first one. So the reason why I say rules is because in order to have the benefits that an LLC gives you, registering your business with the state, the benefits that you get for having that, forming that, you have to follow some rules, or you won't be able to use these benefits, whether it be for tax purposes or whatever it is. And so, as soon as you form your LLC and everything's good and you're good to go, you have your documents from the Secretary of State that they send you. After that, you got to go open up a bank account. Actually, you need to go get an EIN number first. So after you get your EIN number, you need to go open up a bank account for your business, and it's got to be specifically it's got to be an LLC bank account. You can't use your personal account or obviously any other business account. You have to create an account specifically for this LLC. So you're gonna have to take your EIN, you're gonna have to take all your LLC documents that the state gives you, and you got to go to the bank. You got to open up a bank account, an LLC bank account, LLC business bank account for for your company. Okay, so now after you've opened up an account for your business, you have to keep it funded. This is a business, and there's going to be things that need to be paid for. It's not a real business if it's not making money. They give you 5 years basically for your business. They give you 5 years to turn your business into a profitable business. But you're going to have to be generating money. Now, if it costs money, that's fine. You're building a company, and they know that. So they give you 5 years, legally to be, broke and or not profit. Anything after 5 years, and they're going to start looking at you like, all right, what are they doing? Is this a cover up? What's going on? So open up your bank account. You have to keep your account funded. There's going to have to be transactions. Because if you don't open up a bank account, if you don't get an EIN, you don't open up a bank account, and or your bank account isn't being funded, your business isn't making money, well, then you have no protection that the LLC gives you. You just have papers. But at the end of the day, like I said, there are rules that you have to follow if you want to, take advantage of these, of having an LLC. So, those are some rules, definitely. The specific rule that I actually want to tap in on this video is keeping your business expenses separate from your personal. And that means if you need to, for instance, I'm a barber. If I'm going to buy barber supplies, I'm not going to use my personal bank account. I can, but why would I? If I use my business account, this is how we tap into tax write-offs. Now, the thing that you absolutely don't want to do is use your business account, your LLC business card, the LLC card. You don't want to use that for personal expenses. You don't want to buy for your barbering business. You're not gonna want to buy. I'm trying to think of something. I can't even think of. You don't want to buy a baseball bat or whatever you can think of that isn't needed for your business to run. Although I guess somebody, I'm sure somebody can say, well, baseball bat for protection, but you get what I'm saying. Like, keep it separate, because if you don't, then you are piercing the corporate veil, which is basically, that is your protection. That is your imaginary protection. And that's what you are granted once you form an LLC and you're doing everything you need to do. So now let's say you do mess up and you use that, you use your business card to go purchase a tattoo, I don't know, like that has nothing to do with that business. Well, then if ever you get sued or you get in any trouble with that business, that LLC's it's creating a separation from the business from you. So, if I'm cutting hair and I slice somebody with a razor blade, they can sue OSF, and they're gonna win because I messed up. But at the end of the day, what they'll be entitled to is strictly what the business owns, not what I own. Let's say I own, I don't know, $1 million in stocks. They can't touch that. Or maybe I own a home and it's under my name. They can't touch that. They can only touch what's in here. And so keep your expenses separate, your business from personal expenses separate, because if you do, you're not going to have any protection, and that LLC is good as, the paper that it's printed on, nothing. Here, let me show you something. All right, so look, this is my personal debit card. This is my, record label business card, and this is my barbering business card. I can't use this to make purchases for the music business, and I can't use these to buy anything that's personally for me. Now, in my case though, I cut hair at home, so it's the same. I have the same address, so I need entertainment for my clients. So I need a TV. I do need entertainment. I do need Spotify. So I could use that, but since I live here, I can use this, and these things become write-offs, right? So my point showing you this is keep everything separate. That's how you want to do it. You want to keep everything separate. And another thing, a real important thing I want to talk about is, another thing I want to talk about, or I want to add, is when you have LLCs and whenever you have a business or businesses, I've learned from my experience, when you have your bank account, your LLC bank accounts, and you're separate from your personal and everything, is that, man, and you have to keep it separate, right? Well, just doing that, these act as great saving tools, because I can live off of, a certain whatever, one income. And fuck, if I'm smart, or if you're smart, it could be a small income, but if you can live off that and you can, just do whatever you need to do with that and live a frugal life, then you have all these other, companies, businesses that are bringing in money, generating money, and you don't even mess with that. You just live off this. You just saving. You saving, you stacking, and then, like I've spoken about in other videos, invest that, man. Invest it, man. I don't know, put it in the stock market. Put it somewhere where that's gonna make you even more money. And the longer, the phase that I'm in is, how long can I live broke? Pretend to be broke, I guess just living a frugal life. How long can you do that? Because the longer you can do that, and you're just living off this little bitty income, and you got these other things just going, these investments, these other businesses, products, everything. I mean, that's how you build wealth, like that. It's like, sheesh, man. I've been having my LLC, my first LLC. I don't know. I'm trying to think of the day. I can go in my files and go look at my the formation date, but yeah, it was 2000. Fuck, man, I don't know. It's not even no more than 2 years old, right? My first LLC. My second one, I started it at the beginning of this year, and man, bro, like, I wish I would have been taught these things earlier in life. But that's okay. Maybe I wasn't ready for it, right? But anyways, I'm here because I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I'm trying to really like, man, bro. I just want these. I just want people who don't know about these things to be able to take advantage of them, because they really are an advantage, when it comes to money, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. It's your boy J Mo. This is the Hustle Corner, man. Y'all please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the description, all them links. I'm out.